All right. So really nice to meet you. I've seen you on Twitter for years now, and I think you noticed something that I did. And how did you end up with 186,000 followers
Hold on,
from your music?
can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
All right, I just wanted to change it because my account number was up there. So
Oh yeah. Do you need my bank wire information?
no, you fixed it. I'm all set.
No, I mean for you to transfer some funds to me after the interview. Anyway, so so Keith,
You accept
I know,
Bitcoin?
huh?
You accept Bitcoin payment?
Yeah, I do. I'd like to have one, and I'll throw it in a jukebox. So you started off. Obviously, your passion is music, right?
Well,
So you go
my
ahead.
dad was a bar owner, so we had a couple jukeboxes in there. So I used to always get all the music. So
Okay.
so I'm
You know what you call a guy who goes into a diner and with his fists he pounds the jukebox and it plays a song? You know what that's called? A Fonzie scheme.
Fonzie's game. Okay,
All right. So,
Fonzarelli, Happy Days.
yeah. So, tell us how you got into trading. I actually I listened to a couple of your tracks. Good stuff, man. So, I know you were in music before you started gambling in the financial casino. How did it happen for you? The trading aspect of your life.
Well, I figured I wanted to start my own business, the right way. So what I did was I went in Barnes and Noble, went in the business section, checked out all the books, followed all the authors in there, and I figured, I'm the biggest pot smoker besides Snoop Dogg. So I ended up buying all the weed stocks I could find, as a hobby.
Interesting. Okay, so were you're buying them before they went public because there were what a lot of 10 bangers out there a few years ago, weren't there?
Yeah, during the boom, I made a quick 4 or 5 thousand, and I was hooked, brother. So I was like,
Okay.
oh,
All right. So it started with one idea that, came out of a bong. I've had a few like that. In fact, I have a lyric for you for a rap song, but you'll have to cut me in on the royalties. You want to hear it?
yeah, let me hear it, brother.
All right. It's about coronavirus is big, right?
Yes,
All
yes.
right. So, I mean, why not a rap song with this in it? Corona, Corona, fear that I'll own ya. Born in a lab in China, spreading so I'll find ya. No one is safe, not even a king, and I'll be the excuse for everything.
Uh, okay, okay.
All right, I'm in.
Bars for days. You got bars on deck, brother.
All right, so these I see have a lot of different tickers up here. Are
Yeah,
these all the
we gotta do some investment raps for real, brother.
okay? So tell me what issues you look. What's APLE? What is it?
Oh, that's the REIT right there, the Apple REIT, man. I love it. Even
Okay,
though it's down right now,
okay. It's a REIT.
it dropped to a 52 week low right now.
Yeah. What do you think of this drop in the market? Do you think that we have a trend change or
It's
just a little mini panic?
it's blood in the streets, man, and you know what they say when there's blood in the streets. It's a buying opportunity, sir. So
Yeah.
with this little drop in the REIT, the APLA, I'm not scared. I may buy the dip, but you know, it's blood in the
Okay.
streets. So I still gotta stay safe though.
Okay. Well, really the only way to stay safe is 90-day T-bills and cash. That's the most riskless investment position. And then you probably have currency risk down the road. So, you a believer in the precious metals as a hedge for the economy, even if you're not price sensitive? How do you stay safe
All right. Well,
in a twilight zone world?
you really want to know, Dale?
Yeah.
All right. I hedge with the you know Peter Lynch's Magellan Fund, as well as gold, and Ethereum. It's been doing
Okay.
good with the Qs, and I use the Qs as well. What
Okay.
my favorite is SWPPX though, the swap.
Okay. So are you day trading? What kind of time frame do you have? Multiple time frame strategies, or um, are you more of a day trading scalper type of trader?
I do it all. I
Okay.
wake up 4 in the morning after hours trading,
Okay.
and
Uh, All right. So then let's get to. I saw on Twitter you kind of developed some things that you feel comfortable about. You didn't develop them. There's nothing new under the sun. But talk to us about the bands that you're using and how you chose those types of bands to trade and how you execute based upon these bands.
I basically use the Fibonacci's Bloomberg terminal. I could see the RSI with the SMA. Tell me when to get out.
Okay.
Uh,
So how does the RSI, that's really a big part of the body of my work is RSI. A lot of people use it just simply for saying whether a market is overbought, oversold. How do you use the RSI?
it's simple, you know. Buy low, sell high.
Okay, so you're saying if we get like, do you automatically look to buy something if the reading is 20?
Excuse me.
What level on the RSI is a screaming buy to you? 30, 20? Do you need divergences to develop?
20,
Um,
20 all day, Dale.
you'll just buy things that are at 20. Have you bought things at 20 that maybe they improved RSI, maybe bounce back to 30
You gotta
and then
watch. You
go
gotta
ahead.
watch it, Dale. Everything's different, buddy.
Yeah. So teach me something today.
But it's a better opportunity to buy and
Okay.
make profit
Okay.
rather than the guys who bought at 70, brother.
Okay. So we just lost your screen. What happened?
I folded the laptop. Hold on.
Okay. Do you just trade for yourself? You teach other people to do it? Do you manage money? You have a business model, or it's just all your own stuff trading off Bloomberg?
I don't, but a buddy of mine does, and he helps me out.
Okay. Who's been your biggest influence in helping you learn how to be a technical trader?
Property management and J Profit, as well as you want to know like a podcast I follow or something, or
No, it's just, I mean, you sound like you're self-taught, but did you have any mentors that helped you develop your trading style, or was it just a random walk for you?
I'm definitely self-taught. Yeah, random walk down Wall Street, Burt and Macchio. you know,
Okay,
I really,
okay, all right. So, what's the worst landmine you've stepped on?
oh my God, fucking all of them, all of them.
Okay, all right. So, after you blew out an account or two, how were you able
Hey,
to?
or three or four, Dale. Let's get it right.
Okay, so you've blown out accounts. What was your self-talk after you blew out an account? Like, maybe this isn't for me. Um, how
I
do I raise funds to do it again? What was your attitude after those experiences?
um, like a guy told me, when you stop buying, when you find yourself in a hole, you stop digging. So
Yeah.
I stopped buying. I started buying all of the losers and selling all of the winners.
Okay. All right. So it's not a profit till you take it. Are you all in, all out on your trades, or do you scale in?
Like
Uh,
today, 10XP is going crazy.
all right. Well, why don't you share your screen again, Keith, so we
I
can look at it and then tell us. Go back to that green box.
bought them after
Click
they.
it. Yeah.
Here we
There you
go.
go. Okay, now you're showing our launch page instead of your desktop.
Okay, I gotta click here. Open Zoom. Oh my God.
Now, all you needed to do was share your screen. You don't have to open Zoom.
Okay.
All right, so the little green box drop-down menu. In fact, you know what, Keith?
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is we'll get together and maybe rehearse for next time and maybe have a little more preparation to share your journey with people. But before I let you go today, bro, what's the most important lesson that you want to pass on to other people that are going to attempt what you've attempted?
Don't do it. No, sir. Hey, never give up. Never give up, Dale. Rocky.
Never.
And
Oh
watch
yeah,
Rocky. You know, watch the Rocky movie. Never give up, baby boy.
it inspired me too, man. And you know, every one of us, and you know, thank you for your authenticity about that. You've blown out accounts. I've blown out that amount of accounts. So there are times in everyone's trading career where, just like Rocky, you have to get up off the canvas. But you know, you're also right that there's nothing wrong with taking a break and reassessing when you've gone through a bad period, because the markets will be here when you're ready to step back into the arena.
All right.
All right, so Beef, stay safe. Uh, Good luck with the Corona song. And it was really a pleasure meeting you. I wish you a lot of good fortune this year in both your music career and your trading career.
I appreciate you, Dale. Yeah, next time when we go on, I have my mentor with me, you know, Jay, so you get a way better interview, and we could see about these technicals, you know, because it's a little something going on right now, but I'll make sure everything's up to par, you know, next time, if there is a next time, Dale.
All right, buddy, we're all human. So you like it or not, you're my trading warrior brother, Keith.
Woo! Hell
Yeah.
yeah!
All right.
Graduated like Stephanie.
All right, buddy. We'll have a good trading day. And I always tell people this, and to people that are still here with me, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Good hunting the rest of the day. And we'll see everyone tomorrow. I have Peter Bookvar, CNBC contributing editor, with us tomorrow. So thanks
All right.
again, Keith.
Stay blessed, Dale. I really
Thank,
appreciate you for having me on, you know?
thank you, buddy. Okay, everyone, adios. Catch you tomorrow.
All right, stay